Hey you guys, what's good? Welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Fatima if you guys are new. Long time no see. I've been away on vacation. I went to Turkey for about a month. Went there for wedding preparations. I was also vlogging while I was there, so if you guys want to watch that vlog, it's on my other channel, which I do astrology-based videos, if you guys are into that, so I will link that in my description box below. Today, we're going to be doing some makeup. I'm really looking forward to it. While I was in Turkey, I saw that Selena Gomez was coming out with a makeup line. I figured that I would buy her makeup and try it out. These are what I got. I know, not that much. There's a lot more that she has on, you know, the site. I purchased these from Sephora. Now, here's the thing. I am such a makeup junkie, makeup hoarder, if you will, that as I get older and as I start to make money, I'm trying to be more, how do you say, particular about what I spend my money on, if that makes sense. Especially makeup. Self-control. I only bought things that I knew I needed, and that's foundation, that's concealer, and that's blush. Alrighty, so right off the bat, like just handling the packaging, you know, it's decent packaging. It doesn't really like call me, if you know what I mean. A box. That's what it is. I don't really care about packaging. I care about what is inside of it and if it works, and that's all that matters. This is the Liquid Touch Fondant. I'm butchering that. Imperceptible foundation. It is 1.0 fluid ounces, and that retails for $29. The next one is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. This was $19. And finally, the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the color Joy. This is 0.25 fluid ounces, as the concealer is as well. This was $20. So the blush is just $1 more extra than the concealer. We're gonna try these on. I have no makeup on right now, just lip balm. As you guys know, I love my Blistex, the blue little tubular thing. And let's get started. I'm a little late to the game, and I've heard from a lot of people that this foundation is amazing, especially if you mix it with other foundations. We will see. So, ooh, I'm just gonna push my hair back. I usually do my brows first, so I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. Okay, my brows are finito. This is what we have here. Pretty good handle, you know. It doesn't feel like too heavy. It doesn't feel too light. So it just reminds me of something. I can't think of what it is though. Oh, okay. You know when you go to Target and you see those like big red balls like sitting in front of the store? That's what this reminds me of. This little thing right here. Okay, let's put the makeup on. Okay, we're gonna start with foundation. I'm kind of scared because this looks really orange. But when I went on the site, like it does like this comparing foundation match or whatever it is, and these do not look alike. Like, does this look alike to you? And they're both 260N, which is very odd. Anyways, this has a doe foot applicator. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this to the side of my face. Pretty smooth. I think I put too much on, but it's okay. It's not my shade. So I'm going to use these Fenty Beauty Blender, and we're just going to blend that out. I'm just scared because I look like Donald Trump right now. We're just going to have to work with what we got, people. Okay? I will say I like how that looks on the skin. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty foundation, just a little bit. And it also covered my dark circles, which I appreciate. Okay, so I'm going to try the other side with my MAC 170 brush, just a denser brush for foundation. Again with the orange. I like how that's blending. Always a piece of hair. Always. Honestly, okay, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. This has an angled doe foot applicator, whereas the other one was just like a doe foot. This is angular. That's good because you can like reach into the crevices of the eye. I'm going to, I like to put concealer on the inner corner and also towards the outer corner. The concealer has definitely a stronger smell than the foundation does. I don't know, maybe you're concerned about your foundation or concealer smelling. I don't really care, but that's what I picked up. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender because I always use my beauty blender for concealer. Okay, so this side, I blended the concealer immediately. What I like to do with my concealers is I like to let them sit for like a minute and get tacky. I'm gonna just wait a few minutes and see if this dries and how it blends, if it gets tacky. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I'm just squeezing out my foundation from the beauty blender into a napkin, and we're gonna blend this out. I actually like how this is blending more so than this one. What I noticed since I'm getting older is that concealer will start to bunch up right below like my lower lash line. This is starting to crease. This, not so much. Just a little bit. This one is, I can definitely tell it's creasing. So I will need to put powder there. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my face, and the only thing left is the liquid blush. I'm going to do that and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so I finished my eyes and my lips. So far with the foundation, it definitely is something that like I could immediately put on if I'm in a rush, like I need to go, and or I want to look like I'm not wearing makeup. It's just something simple, like anybody can use this. However, for like wedding makeup, or I don't know, if I want to do like extra glam, I wouldn't recommend using this makeup just on its own. I don't know, maybe I need to build on it and like add more foundation and do like a second coverage. I'm gonna apply another layer of concealer and see if that does anything. Just a little bit more, you know, a lot more actually, but we're gonna do that. I'm gonna wait for it to settle and get tacky. Also, it's not picking up on camera. I'll get really close to you guys. I am noticing some patchiness by my forehead. I don't have like any moisturizer underneath. Again, I was just wearing my Blistex, so maybe that's why I would recommend just like wearing a moisturizer underneath and really making the skin plump before you put this foundation on. There's a bit of dryness right under my lower lip. Right between my brows, I do notice like some patchiness, like clumped up patchiness. It's not a huge deal, of course, but it's there. Like I notice it. I feel it hydrating under my eyes for sure. I'm just trying to be careful because I have eye makeup there as well. And then I like to swirl this powder and apply it under my eyes as well. And I can still see circles. It's definitely smooth, but it's dry. Again, it's a great foundation and concealer, but I'm more full coverage. Like I like my under eyes not to be shown. Okay, so this is the blush. It's in the color Joy. It has a longer doe foot applicator, also angled like the concealer. And I'm just going to, ooh, that's a really pretty color actually. Apply that. I probably applied too much. I'm going to do the same thing, beauty blender on this side and the brush on the other side. It'll probably be harder because I put powder on, but you know, that's definitely the ultimate test. Oh boy. Again, I like blush, so I like to carry it like from the cheek up. So far it's blending really nicely. It's not having difficulty, especially because I put powder on. I'm just going to use the other side to blend the foundation, concealer, and blush together. Looks nice, I like that. Now on the side, I'm going to use the brush. Okay, wow, that is blending so nice. I like it much more on this side than I do on this side. This one, it's kind of like faded out. It still looks nice, but it's just like faded out. This one, the pigmentation is still there. Maybe because I'm pressing the brush in. Let me try to blend it out with this beauty blender. This blush placement here with the brush is much more smoother. It has a smoother application, but I can see my skin and my imperfections much more. I have a scar right here from when I was little. That's what's showing. My final thoughts. On camera, it looks fantastic. In real life, it looks fantastic, but you can see my imperfections like here and there. Like you can see my scar, you can see like little bumps here and there. Normal, again, this is your skin. I can see a little bit of flaking here, but that's nothing that moisturizer can't fix. And it feels light, like it doesn't feel heavy on my face. I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup right now. Okay, the foundation is really easy to blend. The concealer, I like. It is hydrating under the eyes, and I think with a little bit of coverage, like reapplication, it definitely is something that I would use. And lastly, we have the Joy Blush by Rare Beauty. This is just, I have no words for this. I'm in love with it. It blended so nicely. It has amazing pigmentation. I've been trying to find like the right liquid blush. Heaven in a bottle. I'm excited. I'm really excited for Selena Gomez and her new line. For this to be her first makeup line, I definitely congratulate her. It's not easy because there are so many makeup brands and the competition is so high. And that's all I have to say about it. If you guys enjoyed this video and you really want to try out Rare Beauty, or if you have tried the products out and you want to let me know what you think about it, definitely let me know in the comments below. I will get back to you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.